everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amanda, and today I am bringing you this look inspired by Sarah Anderson from Disney's Hocus Pocus, and I'm using Colourpop's Hocus Pocus collection to create this look. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is start with our eyes, and today I'm going to start with eyeshadow Come Little Children. It's a very pretty, like matte, slightly shimmery brown color, and I'm just applying this with a big fluffy brush and windshield wiper motions back and forth on my eyelid and in my crease. Next, I'm going to be using the brush Morphe Jaclyn JH33. It's just a blending brush. And I'm going in with the eyeshadow Dead Man's Toe. It's a matte magenta color, and I'm going on the outer corner of my eyelid and the outer crease area, and I'm blending in a C-shaped motion and a patting motion as well. Next, I'm going to use the brush Morphe Jaclyn JH41. It's just a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm using the shimmery eyeshadow called Thackeray Binks. It's a magenta shimmer eyeshadow color. It's very pretty, and it blends beautifully into Dead Man's Toe, and I'm just applying that onto the inner corner of the eyelid and blending it to the center of the eyelid. And I'm also blending it up into the crease area. Next, I'm going to use the brush Morphe Jaclyn JH42. This is a very small eyeshadow brush, and I'm using the shade Full Moon, which is a matte cream eyeshadow color. It has just a little bit of shimmer into it, not much. I'm just applying it to the brow bone. And next, I'm using a shimmery silver color called Winch, and I'm applying that to the inner corner of my eyes with the Morphe Jaclyn JH42. Alright, now I'm going to be using the cream gel eyeliner in the shade Trick or Treat. It's a very pretty purpley gel eyeliner. And I'm simply just lining my eyes with it. Next, I'm going in with my MAC mascara. It is the Studio Sculpt Super Black Lash Mascara. I'm just applying that to my eyelashes. Next, I'm going in with the Glitterly Obsessed Glitter Gel in Amok. It's a very pretty purple and blue glitter shadow. And I'm just applying this with my finger onto my eyelid. Next, I'm going in with the eyelashes called Flirty Witch. I'm using the Duo Lash Glue. I'm just going to apply these lashes to my eyes. They're very beautiful, but they're very huge eyelashes. I had to cut a significant amount off for them to fit. As you can see here, I am just simply using the tweezers to help apply the lashes onto my actual lashes. You want to make sure you're not getting the eyelid with it. And if I haven't mentioned so far, all of the products that I've used are by Colourpop with the Hocus Pocus collection. Next, I'm going to use Rouge and Romance by Jaclyn Cosmetics. And the shade that I'm using is called Dainty. It's a very light, bright pink color, and I'm applying that onto the apples of my cheek and blending out. And I'm using the Morphe brush R2. Next, I'm going to go in with the lip liner, and the lip liner is called Lucky Rat Tail. It's a very pretty burgundy red color, and this is by Colourpop's Hocus Pocus collection. And then I'm going to go in with a Luxe lipstick in the shade Sarah, which is almost the exact same color as the lip pencil. It's a very pretty burgundy red color. It's not super dark, but it's almost like a wine-ish burgundy. And then I'm going in with the MAC eyeliner in the shade Engraved, just to put the mole that Sarah has on my chin. And there you have it. This is the look of Sarah Sanderson. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.